Good morning, one and all. Today we are discussing about reciprocal networks and some problems in fifth unit, means problems in two-port network. Before going to start today's class, as we are already completed about conversions from different parameters to different parameters. So which parameter to which, means conversion from different parameters means z to y, y to z, or z to h, z to abcd, or y to z, y to h, y to abcd, h to y, h to abcd, h to z, transmission line to z, transmission line to y, transmission line to h, and symmetrical network. Definition of symmetrical network. Symmetrical network is nothing but input impedance is equals to output impedance. And next, same examples of symmetrical network is nothing but z11 is equals to z22, y11 is equals to y22. Next, Kirchhoff current law, Kirchhoff voltage law. Current law is the first law of Kirchhoff law. It is nothing but entering current is equals to leaving current, or voltage light indicating total voltage in the circuit is 0. Algebraic sum of potential differences is 0. Current law and voltage law used for find out the circuit analysis purpose. And parameter definitions, different type of parameters. These are all covered in previous classes only. Today we are find some problems. Today we are answering some solutions, or today we are solving some problems in different type of parameters. Using different parameters we can get the different z11 conversions or values of z11, z12 equation. By using different equations we can find out the answers to different solutions, and we can find out in the different problems, and we can analyze the different problems or different equations. Now we are starting today's class. Today's class and today are covered today reciprocal network and examples of reciprocal networks, problems on two-port network. These topics are covered. Now I am first, reciprocal network. What is meant by reciprocal network? A network is said to be reciprocal if the voltage appearing at port 2 due to current applied at port 1. Voltage applied at port 2 is voltage applied across port 2 is what? Port 1 is nothing but in two-port network. The port 1, port 2 are represented as 1 dash as the input port, 2 dash as the output port. The input port voltage is a V1 and output port voltage is V2. Same as input port current is I1 and output port current is I2. So, a network is said to be reciprocal if the voltage appearing at port 2. Port 2 voltage is nothing but V2 voltage due to current applied at port 1. Port 1 current is nothing but I1 current. I1 represents input current and I2 represents output current. V1 represent input voltage and V2 represent output voltage. So, the output voltage V2 due to a current applied at port 1 means I1 is the same as voltage appearing at port 1. Port 1 voltage is nothing but V1. When the same current is applied to port 2, V1 will be depends on the I2 and V2 is depends on I1, means it will V1 I2 is equals to I2 V1. Or examples of reciprocal network is general examples in Z parameters, Y parameters. Examples is Z12 is equals to Z21 or Y12 is equals to Y21. The same examples here you can define as the reciprocal. A network is said to be reciprocal if the voltage appearing at port 2 due to current applied at port 1 is same as voltage appearing at port 1 when the same current is applied across port 2. So, port 1 voltage is depends on port 2 current. If general network is reciprocal, if general network is said to be, or general network is will be reciprocal if it consists of entirely of linear passive components. Means passive components is nothing but resistors, capacitors and inductors. So, and reciprocal network term, it will be consist of passive components like resistor, capacitor and inductor. In general, it will be not reciprocal if it contains active components such as generators and transistors. Generators and transistors are the examples of active component. It will be not reciprocal. So this term consists of either transistor or it consists of generators. A reciprocal network is one which the transmission signal between any two ports does not depend on the direction of propagation input and output ports interchangeable. That is nothing but S12 is equals to S21 or S13 is equals to S31. A reciprocal network is one which transmission signal between any two ports does not depend on the direction of propagation. Means 1 to 2 1 direction of propagation, input and output ports are interchangeable. So 1 2 is equals to 2 1 or 1 3 is equals to 3 1. 1 hit across input and 2 across output, 1 2 1 2 1 or 1 3 3 1. A network is known as reciprocal if it passive and contains only isotropic materials. Isotropic materials is what? Isotropic material means material having identical values in property of all directions. Glass and metals are the examples of isotropic material. Isotropic means its direction will be equal in all, or the a property in all directions. Best example isotropic in network, otherwise in network analysis isotropic antenna. These are the isotropic. Isotropic is nothing but uniform direction or equal direction. A network is known as reciprocal if it is passive contains the material is isotropic material. In passive components is nothing but resistor, inductor, capacitor will be material used by isotropic material. Isotropic material means it transforms uniformly in all directions or it having identical values in all directions. Glass and metals are the examples of isotropic materials. Reciprocal examples. Before reciprocal exams, we are already covered symmetrical exams. What are symmetrical examples? Symmetrical T, symmetrical pi, symmetrical bridge shape or symmetrical ladder shape or nothing but lattice network. So these are the examples of symmetrical networks. T, pi, ladder network is nothing but lattice network. Lattice network is shape of ladder or diagonal components. Next, bridge shaped. These are the examples of reciprocal. Reciprocal examples is what? Reciprocal means voltage across port 2 is depends on the current applied across port 1 is same as voltage across port 1 means V1 voltage will be same as current applied across I1 I2. So V2 voltage depends on the I1 and V1 voltage depends on the current across output means I2. Reciprocal examples are cables, stranded lines, transmission lines, attenuator, common passive power splitters, power couplers. In reciprocal networks, we are using across cable lines, normal cable lines, coaxial cable, transmission lines, attenuators, common passive splitters, power couplers. Two classic examples of non-reciprocal networks are RF amplifiers and isolators. In both the cases, the scattering parameter S21 is different from S12. Reciprocal means S12 is equals to S12 is equals to S21 means reciprocal. S12 is not equals to S21 is means non-reciprocal terms. In fact, all active circuits and non-reciprocal transistors are non-reciprocal devices. So S12 is not equals to S21. It is a non-reciprocal device. In S12 is not equal to S21. The circuit designing consists of transistors and generators in between. Next, two-port network impedance parameters. So impedance parameter means impedance is nothing but open circuit impedance. Z parameters. Z parameters equation, standard equation is what? V1 is equals to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. V2 is equals to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. This is the standard Z parameter equation. Next, linear network with no dependent sources. Reciprocal means no dependent sources. Voltage source and ideal sources are connected to the ports are interchangeable. That is nothing but the definition of reciprocal only. Interchangeable. Interchangeable means S12 is equal to S21 or Y12 is equal to Y21 or Z12 is equals to Z21. So here the equation V1 is equals to Z11 I1, Z12 I2, V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Here the reciprocal means Z11 is equals to Z22 are symmetry, and the reciprocal is Z12 is equals to Z21. So linear network with no dependent sources. Independent variable parameters are called independent variables are called parameters. Here dependent sources is nothing but V1 and V2. Voltage source and ideal ammeter connected to the ports interchangeable. So the definition of reciprocal, it also defines as voltage appears at port 1 will be the current applied to port 2, or current applied across port 1 is depends on the voltage across port 2. Voltage across port 1 depends on the current voltage across port 1 due to current across port 2, or current across port 1 due to voltage across port 2. These are interchangeable. Next, condition for symmetry and reciprocity. Symmetry means for the network is symmetrical, the voltage current ratio of one port should be same as the voltage and current ratio at the other port. Of short circuited. So next equation, standard equation, V1 is equals to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2, V2 is equals to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. When they open, how we can solve the Z parameter equation? First we can open circuiting the output terminals, means we can apply the I2 value as a 0. For Z parameter equation, we can substitute I2 is equals to 0, V1 is equals to Z11 I1, or Z11 is equals to V1 by I1. Same here also we can apply I1 is equals to 0, means input will be open circuited, and we can find out the output value. From Z parameter equation, we can write here I1 is equals to 0, V1 is equals to Z12 I2, or Z12 is equals to V1 by I2. Hence the network is symmetrical. If the symmetrical network is nothing but V1 by I1 is equals to V2 by I2, means Z11 is equals to Z22. That is nothing but symmetrical. Reciprocal means a network is said to be reciprocal if the ratio of one port response at other port same as response is interchanged. Condition for reciprocity. Here same we can write the Z parameters equation, and reciprocity means only interchanging of voltage and current values. So V1 is equals to Z11 I1 minus Z12 I2, or we can substitute V2 is equals to 0. V1 V2 equation is what? V1 is equals to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2, V2 Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Here we can write V2 is equals to 0 and I2 is equals to minus I2. Just we can substitute these terms in equation. We can get the reciprocity equation. Reciprocity equation is nothing but V1 V2 is equals to Z11 I1 minus Z12 I2. In place of V2 we can substitute 0. Next we are find outing the V1 by I1 is equals to V1 by I2, means Z12 is equals to Z21. This is the reciprocity condition. Reciprocity means the reciprocity is nothing but voltage appearing at port 2 due to current appearing at port 1 is same as current appearing at port 1. Current appearing at voltage 1 is equals to current voltage appearing at port 2, or voltage appearing port 2 is depends on the current appearing at port 1 is same as voltage appearing at port 1 due to current appearing at port 2. Z12 is equals to Z21. Now we can find out some problems, and we can do some problems now. Determine the Z parameter for the following circuit. Determine the Z parameters. Z parameters is what? Z parameter equation is what? V1 is equals to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2, Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Here we can write substituting one time V1 is one time first open circuiting I1 0, I2 0, we can find out in Z11, Z22, Z21, Z22. These are completely on Z parameters equation. Same, by using that we can find out in the Z parameters values in this problem. First, the problem consists of 20 ohms, 30 ohms, 40 ohms impedances. First, we apply V1 at port 1 and open circuiting the port 2. So, by port 2 open circuit, we have only open empty values in input circuit only. First, we can open circuiting figure A. Figure A represents open circuiting the output terminal, means we are applying I2 as a 0. We are applying I2 as 0. Here open circuiting the port 2. Port 2 open circuiting means this is the port 2. Port 2 consists of open circuit is nothing but it is I2 is equals to 0. So, by substituting I2 is equals to 0 in Z parameters equation, first Z11 is equals to V1 by I1. Here V1 is equals to, here V1 is equals to what? 20 plus 40. 20 plus 40 into I1 by I1. 20 plus 40 into I1 terms are cancelled, input currents, and you get only 60 ohms. Next, Z21 is equals to V2 by I1. V2 voltage is what? V2 voltage is nothing but V2 voltage is 40 ohms. 40 I1 by I1. Z21 is equals to 40. Z11, Z21. Next, same circuit we can apply. Now next V2 at port 2 open circuit and port 1 I1 is equals to 0. So next we are applying I1 is equals to 0 across here. I1 0. I1 0 means Z12 is equals to V2 by I2. V2 is nothing but what? 40 by I2 into I2. 40 terms are cancelled. Z22 is equals to V2 by I1. V2 value is nothing but V1 value is 40 and V2 value is equal to 40 plus 30, 70 ohms. Next, two-port network, Y parameters and beyond. Given the following network, so find out in the Y port network from the equation and from the Y, and next from Y parameters to find the Z parameters in the equation. Find out in the Y parameters for a network. First, Y parameter standardized equation. V1 is equals to Y11 V1. I1 is equals to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. I2 is equals to Y21 V1 Y22 V2. Next, by substituting these values in standard equations. First, Y parameter I1 is equals to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. I2 is equals to Y21 plus Y22 V2. How we can get Y11? Y11 means by short circuiting the output points, means we are applying V2 is equals to 0. By applying V2 is equals to 0, we can get Y11 is equals to I1 by V1. Y12 is equals to I1 by V2. By applying V1 is equals to 0. Y21 is equals to I2 by V1 by applying V2 is equals to 0. And Y22 is equals to I2 by V2 by applying V1 is equals to 0. We use the above equations to evaluate the parameters of these network. First, to find out in Y11. To find out Y11, find out in purpose. Y11 means what? I1 by V1. So Y1 is equals to Y11 into V1. or V1 is equals to I1 by Y11. So V1 is equals to I1 by 2 by S plus 2 by S, 2 plus 1 by S. Here 1 by S, 2 by S by 1 plus S. Just we can substitute the equation values. Same next y parameter example, y21 is equals to I2 by V2. We are applying V2 is equals to 0. V1 is equals to minus 2I2. Minus 2I2 is nothing but y21 is equals to I2 by V1. Here I1 by V1 when V2 is equals to 0. Here y21 by is equals to I2 by V1. Same by short circuiting the input port. Input port we can short circuiting to find out y12, y22, and we reverse the things. Y12 is equals to I1 by V2 when V1 is equals to 0. Next V2 is equals to minus 2, 1. Next y2 is equals to I2 by V2 when V1 is equals to 0. V2 is equal to I2 by 2 by S plus 2. Next, two port network y parameter examples, y is equals to y11, y12, y21, y22 values is S plus 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 plus 1 by S. So now suppose we want to do Z parameters for the same network. Just interchanging means first open circuiting the output terminal, we can find out in Z11. Next Z12 open circuiting. Next input port open circuiting purpose we can get the output values. First we can open circuiting output, second time we are open circuiting the input port. Then only we can find out the input and output values in Z parameters. This is the example of ABCD parameter. ABCD parameter is nothing but ABCD parameters are called transmission line parameters. Transmission line parameters first here input port V1, V2. Input is the V1 voltage, output is the V2 voltage. I1 is the input current, I2 is the output current. How we can get transmission line parameter values? Transmission line parameter values, first we are open circuiting the output port at one time. Same output port will be short circuiting it another time. First of all we are open circuiting the output port, then we can get the A and C values. A and C will be at input section, B and D will be at output section. By short circuiting the output port we can find out in the B and D values. First we are open circuiting and second time we are short circuiting.